Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on your 2000 through 2022 Kia Telluride. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop the hood, and then just after the U you've got your hood latch. You just pull that way to the left and hood pops right up, and we will find our air filter location, which is just right here. If you guys can read, it'll say pull out to open, and in parentheses it'll say air filter. And the air filter that I chose to use today is going to be by WIX. This was about $25 or so, and I just decided to do it myself because the dealership wanted to charge $60. Even though this is $25, you can find other filters for about half that price, so it's all up to you depending on what you want to spend. All right, and to get access to that air filter, it's very easy to do. You just pop this off, and then you got two locks here. You're just gonna slide one down, slide the other down, and you'll see up here that it's got a lock and unlock. That'll loosen it, pull straight out, and as you guys can see, that's pretty filthy right there. Okay, now that we have it out, I wanted to show you guys the lock and unlock on this filter. This is the one that we're switching out here, and on our new filter here we also have a lock and unlock. It just looks a little different, as you guys can see right there. Okay, so for this air filter, on these tabs you push up and down, or I'm sorry, out and in, like that. So you guys see that? So pulling out towards me is unlock, pushing in is lock, and on the one we took off it was sliding down on both ends. So a little bit different, but works the same way. And then this goes back up, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So they wanted to charge $60 to do that. I said, you know what, I'll spend 20 bucks, 25 bucks and do it myself. So that's it, guys. That's all for the video. That is how you change your engine air filter on your 2020 through 2022 Kia Telluride. I'm sure this also works for the Palisade because these are like cousin cars. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned how to do this. Save yourself some money. God bless you guys. We'll see you on the next video.